I guess we go down to go up. It's like an exhibition. Welcome to Seoul Sky. This is just the entrance to get up to the tower by elevator, so we'll see what this is like. This is just the queue, folks.
지하 2층 가면 지하 3층이요? 더 2층 내려가요?
롯데월드 단지의 야경과 축제를 감상하시겠습니다. 롯데월드 타워를 중심으로 한 불꽃놀이쇼와 서촌호수 공원 등 야경의 아름다움을 느끼실 수 있습니다. Now it's time to take a look at the night view and festivals near the Lotte World Complex. With Lotte World Tower at the center, you can enjoy a variety of attractions that look beautiful during the night, including the fireworks show in Seoul Sky.
내려가는 시간을
위에는 층수, 밑에는 높이 193m, 27층, 1m. 그 화살표는 층에서 내려가는 거. 11층, 11층. 금방 내려오고. 우리 지하 2층 간다고 했어.
지하 2층까지 내려가. 저희가
하늘 위의 새로운 세상, 서울 스카이를 찾아주셔서 감사합니다.
사이즈 2만 7천 원인데
Seoul Sky, a whole world in the sky. 조선시대 경복궁 근정선에서 시작하여 근대의 광화문 거리, 한강을 중심으로 한 현대 서울의 발전 모습과 롯데월드 타워의 건설 모습을 감상하실 수 있습니다. You can follow in the footsteps of Seoul's transformation into a modern city, beginning with Kunjeongjun Hall at Gyeongbokgung Palace, built during the Joseon Dynasty, and onto Gwanghwamun Street in the Han River during the early modern times. Not only that, you can watch how Lotte World Tower was built as well.
My ears keep popping.
환영합니다. 하늘 위의 새로운 세상, 서울 스카이 전망대에 도착하였습니다. Welcome to Seoul Sky Observation Deck, a whole new world in the sky.
Amusement park there. Not going there this trip. Look at that. This is looking west. There's Seoul Stadium right there. I think that's where Blackpink just played 2 shows. And then on the hill over there is N Tower. Right there. And then I'm staying on the other side, so pretty far away. The airport is out that way. Look at that. That's just amazing. So down there in the lower left-hand corner is Peace Gate. So that's Olympic Park. That's where I walked a little bit to the left. Actually, just in the corner, brothers, white buildings is One Tree Hill, and then some of the Olympic venues. Look at that sprawling city of Seoul. Just amazing. Just amazing. So if you look here, Sugamon Gate, which is right by my hotel, is 12.4 kilometers away, which is just on the other side of the N Tower, and Seoul Tower, which is right there. Crazy. Just amazing views and a beautiful day. So this is the Sky Terrace, the outside. Still goes up high. There's actually a skywalk up there if you want to do it. Wait for it. It's crazy. Beautiful views. What a beautiful fall day. And here's the Sky Terrace from the south side. Wow. There's Olympic Park again. And a straight up shot. Lotte World Tower in Seoul.
아까 우리 지하 2층 가면 지하 3층이요? 더 2층 내려가요?
롯데월드 단지의 야경과 축제를 감상하시겠습니다. 롯데월드 타워를 중심으로 한 불꽃놀이쇼와 서촌호수 공원 등 야경의 아름다움을 느끼실 수 있습니다. Now it's time to take a look at the night view and festivals near the Lotte World Complex. With Lotte World Tower at the center, you can enjoy a variety of attractions that look beautiful during the night, including the fireworks show in Seoul Sky.
내려가는 시간대를
위에는 층층, 밑에는 높이 153m, 27층, N미터. 화살표는 층에서 내려가는 거. 11층, 11층. 금방 내려가고. 우리 지하 2층 간다고.
지하 2층까지 내려가. 저희가
하늘 위의 새로운 세상, 소울 스카이를 찾아주셔서 감사합니다.
사이즈 2만
Visiting Seoul Sky, a whole new world in the sky.